In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Roblox Error Code 264. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by clicking on your keyboard Control-Shift-ESC or Escape. Now it's going to bring this window up, which is Task Manager. You're going to have the option to manage all the tasks that are open on your computer. Now, since this is dealing with a Roblox error, you're going to click on the Roblox game client and click on End Task. This will close out Roblox and anything related to it. You're also going to go down to the options that are further down and just make sure that nothing is related to Roblox. They are in alphabetical order, so since there's no Roblox over here, we are good to go. You can close out Task Manager and you will be able to reopen Roblox after you reset your computer. It's a super easy way to fix the Roblox error code. That's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.